Good morning. It is Taco Tip Tuesday. I, first of all, would like to ask for your prayers and your positive thoughts sent to Holly. Her and her son were in a car accident last night and they are okay, but I'm sure that they could use just some extra good vibes going their way, so please send up your prayers to them. I told you yesterday that we were talking about some things, so we're going to talk about stress, water, why it's important, sugar, sleep, and exercise. Here are kind of my number ones. Okay, so number one, your sleep should be a priority. If you're getting enough adequate sleep, then everything else will work to your advantage. But the foundation is enough adequate sleep. Your body cannot be in a state of stress. So, point number two, if you are stressed out, if your body is stressed, your mind is stressed, you're going to run this rat race of cortisol levels being high, and every effort that you try to make will really just kind of backfire. So please manage your stress. Find ways to manage your stress, and it could go back to sleep. Also, water. Why is water super important? I've talked about this a lot actually, but water is important because it also reduces stress and it helps your body to function at its optimum level. You need water for your organs, for your brain, to keep exercising. It's crucial for even digestion. It is important. The next thing is, let's just go ahead and go into sugar. So those are my top three. Just get some sleep, manage your stress the best that you can, and drink your water. Those are my top threes. It's not food and it's not exercise. I'll go into exercise actually. Why is exercise, in my opinion, I feel like it's overrated. Yeah, exercise is great. It makes you feel good, and it makes, like, you get that nice endorphin high. And it's not that I'm saying you shouldn't exercise. I'm not saying that at all. You should. You should move your body. You should do those things because it does, again, make you feel good and make sure your body was created for movement. We're supposed to move. We have all these muscles and all these bones, and they go and do funny things. And it's amazing. Our bodies are created to be so freaking amazing. So use it and use movement every single day. But it is overrated in the fact that I think we overthink it. And it's overrated in that we feel like we have to go and do, hours and hours and hours of working out. And we really don't. I mean, I do that, but we don't have to. And I'll tell you what, it makes rest day a lot more enjoyable too. However, we really don't need to do that. I mean, 30 minutes of walking is adequate. I would like you to be moving throughout the day, like getting up out of your seat, keeping those muscles limber. But 30 minutes of cardio, acceleration, heart rate elevated, that is good enough, especially if you're just starting out. And then the last thing is sugar. I know a lot of people struggle with sugar. Sugar is actually quite important. Especially when we break down why our bodies need sugar. If we were to completely deplete ourselves of having sugar in our body, then it's not going to work as optimally as it could. And I say this because sugar is a form of carbohydrates, and your body needs carbohydrates in order to function. Now, that can come in many different forms. It can come in vegetables, it can come in fruits, it can come in simple carbohydrates such as candy, or, if you're not eating a high fiber bread, it can be in bread. But it is still important to make sure that you're getting those carbohydrates into your body. And sugar, while it is addictive, it tastes amazing, and a lot of sugar gets a really bad rep. I would say really kind of evaluate why you need it or what form of sugar you're trying to get it from. And how do I put this? If you are someone who struggles with having sugar in your diet and it's better for you to avoid it, avoid it. Stay away from it. I'm that person. If I have a little bit of sugar, I'll want more and I'll want more and I'll want more. Now, there are plenty of people out there that can have like a piece and they allow themselves that piece and then they're done and it's over with. That's it. But a lot of times people find themselves quite addicted to it and they can't control how they behave around it. So my best tip for that is just completely avoid it. Go for the more natural sugars like your apples and your bananas, your fruits, your vegetables, maybe a piece of dark chocolate. Allow yourself that. But then after that, cut it off. That is it for today. If you have more questions about this, if you need more information about this, if you had advice of your own, please feel free to share. I am just giving you what I know. There are plenty of other opinions and thoughts and knowledge out there, so you are free to share with the group. Have an awesome day.